Looking for a healthy and delicious pasta salad recipe, either for a potluck or a barbecue? Let me show you this quick and easy 15-minute Italian pasta salad. Start by bringing a large pot of water to a boil and add some salt. Adding salt to this pasta water will ensure that the noodle is seasoned all the way through. Today, I'll be using 250 grams of rotini pasta. You can use any type of pasta that has ridges in them to ensure maximum contact with the dressing. Boil your pasta as per the instructions on the package. Cut 1 pint of cherry tomato into halves. Using a serrated knife is a tool for this job, since it'll make sure that the tomatoes don't roll away on ya. Dice half an English cucumber into small pieces. I like to cut my cucumber into halves and then those halves into quarters to make the job really quick and easy. You'll have diced cucumbers all the same size with no fuss. Finely dice about half a medium red onion into small pieces. You can use other onions, but I find the red ones more mild. Now cut about 150 grams of mild salami into strips. This really makes our pasta special. Looks like the pasta's done. Carefully drain your pasta into a colander. Rinse your hot pasta with cold tap water to cool it down so it stops the cooking process. Let's put this beauty together. Add your pasta, your savory salami, perfectly diced cucumbers, red onion, and your cherry tomatoes. For those olive lovers, you know what to do. Now for my pièce de résistance, mini bocconcini cheese. Drain these bocconcinis and they're ready to go. These are basically mini mozzarella balls. What more could you ask for? Add these beauties into your pasta salad. Let's season our pasta salad. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and finally a 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Seasoning your pasta salad at this point will bring out the flavors in the cherry tomatoes and those mini mozzarella balls. We're going to make this pasta salad real quick and easy by using 1 cup of fat-free Italian dressing. If you're making this pasta salad a day before, only pour the dressing when you're ready to serve. It's tossing time! I started with 2 spoons, but then found that 1 spoon was much easier. And there you have it, a 15-minute Italian pasta salad, perfect for any barbecue or lunch. Thanks for watching. Check out some of my easy lunch recipes.